Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
The mesh net was packaged in a no-frills self-sealing bag. I wouldn't expect anything more given its low cost and construction. To install this bag, you'll need to remove the center console grab handle. You can use either the Torx PLUS L-shaped tool and or the smaller bit in the tool bag supplied with your Bronco. I use both the L-shaped tool and a quick change nut driver with the included Torx PLUS bit. The screws on the handle are on pretty tight, and I'm pretty weak, so the L-shaped tool provided enough torque to get them loosened. I was then able to use my nut driver to remove them by hand. Since it was only 2 screws, I didn't bother getting out my impact driver. To install, you just need to slip the bag's grommeted holes over the handle's long plastic pins, put it back on the center console, and put the screws back in. I didn't look up torque specs for this, if they even exist somewhere, but making the screws tight enough seemed like the right amount to me. I assumed that this would be useful to hold a passenger's phone on a trip, or maybe some extra tools. So to test it, I threw some tools in it and my wife's Galaxy Note phone. I was surprised the pockets were big enough to fit her phone, especially with its case on. Given its extremely low price and ease of installation, I think this simple mod is a real winner. Apparently, my wife likes it too, as she very quickly found a different use for it that I hadn't thought of. Well, I hope some of you found this video useful. Until next time, see you later.